All, welcome to the JavaScript for Pentesters course on Pentester Academy. Now in this video, we will look at the solution for task 5. So let's jump right in. Now, this task really has two parts to it. The first is, of course, to go ahead and create a child element where we would be displaying the message website is down, blah blah blah. And the second part is to remove this form entirely, right, which is to delete this tag entirely from the HTML. So let's go ahead and do both of these tasks. Let's first create an h2 element which is going to hold this message website is down, please visit securitytube.net, right? So here is how we can do it. Input document.create element, and this would be an h2 tag just so that it draws attention. And all we'd have to do is do an input dot inner HTML that would contain website is down, please visit securitytube.net. Let's add our script tags. Now the second part is really to remove the form. Now in JavaScript, the way we do that is we first find the parent of that tag, and then using the parent we remove the child. So let's go ahead and first basically add this to the HTML, and then we'll remove the form. So let's find the parent of the form so that this is really put in just above the form, and that can be done using the dot parent node indicator, which we are using in here. And after that we can add this by using append child, and we can add input in there, right? So if we do a quick test, encode this, hopefully there aren't any mistakes and typos. Right, if you notice the website is down, please visit securitytube.net has been applied perfectly. Fantastic. Now the second part is really to remove the form, and that we can do using, again, use the parent node notation and then say dot remove child, and then we put back the reference to the form itself. Copy this in, this back, and there we go. So now if I take this JavaScript, I URL encode it, and I paste it in here. There you go, right? So the form was removed, and it basically puts our message website is down, please visit securitytube.net in the h2 tag, right? So there are two things which we learned here. One is how to get the parent node of a given node and append a child which is at the same level as the element we desired, in this case the same level as form. And the second thing we learned was to remove a child, you would have to use the reference of the parent. So parent node dot remove child, and then give the reference to the child node, right? Fantastic. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, we would really appreciate if you can recommend us to your friends and colleagues in the InfoSec community. Thank you.